10 minutes Tai Chi walk a day give me six-pack abs, melt away the belly fat, and reverse aging. I'm 101 years old, and my doctors ask me for advice. You might have literally seen an ad just like that pop up on this video. They're relentless. Maybe you got a Tai Chi Walking ad, maybe it was chair yoga or military calisthenics or whatever the scammers are pushing this week. Let me know in the comments what you get, because honestly, it's some of the best entertainment on the internet if you look at it that way. They're completely AI generated and ridiculous, promising dramatic weight loss and abs from a gentle practice. And the irony of them showing up in this video is not lost on me. The ads are strategically using us real human teachers to get to you. But the irony is actually a loss for them, because I know you won't fall for that now. So if you watch a little bit past the skip button as they pop up, that means they actually have to pay. So they'd be basically sponsoring a video that debunks them. And it's going to make the comment section hilarious if you just let me know what you saw. But here's the thing. Tai Chi Walking is actually real. It's been around for centuries, and today I'm here to teach you about the authentic practice, the original, and how you can learn for free. A little quick context, because you should know who you're learning from. This whole trend, it kind of started with me. 5 years ago, I posted a Tai Chi Walking video that now has more than 5 million views. And then I watched it get hijacked by apps and ads and AI teachers. I believe they saw the viral success of this simple term and took advantage of it. I'm not an algorithm or AI. I'm a real person who cares and who's gotten a little fired up about people getting deceived or even scammed in the name of Tai Chi. So let me show you the real thing. What is Tai Chi Walking? Well, Tai Chi is a martial art from China that's practiced nowadays for its health benefits. And another name for Tai Chi Walking is step drills, which puts actual Tai Chi forms on repeat, making a smooth, flowing meditation in motion that's easy to learn. This makes it great as Tai Chi for beginners because you don't have to memorize a long, complex routine. And it involves specific footwork that's deliberate in its weight shifting, training your body to move with control. And here's the part most miss entirely. Real Tai Chi walking isn't just walking forward. It's also stepping backwards and to the side. That multi-directional movement is exactly what makes it so powerful for balance and fall prevention. Tai Chi Walking incorporates the authentic principles of Tai Chi and Qigong, and it teaches these short forms that actually carry into longer forms like Yang 24. So you can learn the most popular style in the world after this. Unlike the follow-along apps that have you mimic generic aerobics forever, you actually learn this. You build a real foundation, and you get immediate health benefits. And by the end, you can practice on your own anywhere. In your kitchen waiting for the water to boil, or on a walk with your dog, or in a hotel room. And that's the difference between just following along with a video or app and learning a skill you can do for life. And real quick, if someone you love deserves the real practice for free instead of these scams, make sure you share this video with them right now. They'll thank you. And then stick with me, because in a moment, I'm going to show you how this simple practice can genuinely transform your health in real science-backed ways, and the best way to learn for free. Okay, so how does something this gentle actually transform your health? Here's what the research shows. Tai Chi is one of the most studied movement practices for balance and fall prevention. Really, it's the gold standard. So if you want better balance for healthy aging, you're in the right place. It's also been shown to lower stress hormones and inflammation, which ripples out into better sleep, better mood, even a stronger immune system. So you may find you get sick less. It's low impact and joint friendly. slow, smooth, and calming to the nervous system. And it's about connecting to your body, not fighting against it. And I don't say any of this lightly. I've spent almost 20 years studying this. I've studied Tai Chi in China, and I'm a Tai Chi for Health senior trainer, teaching the evidence based forms developed by my mentor and the researcher, Dr. Paul Lamb. I also studied yoga and meditation in India, and I'm a best selling author with a master's degree in the field. I've personally lived with arthritis and chronic pain myself since my teens. So I don't just teach this, I rely on it personally. And that's why I build everything to be joint friendly and safe with options. And it's exactly why these knockoff apps and AI channels are driving me crazy, because most of them don't even teach anything resembling Tai Chi. It's mostly generic aerobics or exercise with Tai Chi slapped into the title alongside rapid weight loss claims to boost search traffic. Real Tai Chi, it's different. And I've got a whole deep dive into the science if you want to go further. But for now, all you need to know is that it works, it's gentle, and it doesn't have to cost you to get started. So here's how the challenge works, so there's no confusion. 14 days, and you get one email a day with a video practice linked directly inside. Each video is 10 to 15 minutes, starting simple and building up each day. No app to download, no login, no quiz harvesting your data, no subscription you have to fight to cancel. You don't even give your credit card. Each daily email will hold you accountable for practice, and it's that simple. Because that's the only way it's going to work if you actually do it. And you won't be doing this alone. You'll be joining over 10,000 people, real results. Better balance, less stiffness, more confidence on their feet. Look, I'm actually glad this Tai Chi Walking thing went viral. What I'm not okay with is the AI and fake teachers preying on people who just want to feel better. Because you deserve the real thing from a real teacher who cares. So here's your one job. Go to learntaichiwalking.com. I'll pin that in the first comment too. You can sign up and then go to your email and click the confirm button. If you don't do that step, you won't get the daily practices. So basically, I'm just confirming that you're not a robot either. And after you hit confirm, you'll get a welcome page with a more intimate message from me. And before I leave you, I'm going to invite you to leave a comment letting me know if you've joined. Or you can let me know about the ridiculous fitness ad claims you've gotten. I personally read every single comment. Thank you so much and be well. And it's not even AI generated.